Each section in this course is covering a certain topic in Photoshop, gradually advancing from basics and essentials to advanced levels. And it's totally up to you guys how you would like to go through this course. However, even if you are an advanced user of Photoshop, I assure you that you will find more tips and tricks right from the beginning of that course. This course is designed to be a practical course, as this is the best way to master the application by applying what you're learning right away on your PC, and that's why you will find exercise files, design assets, and helpful resources attached to this lecture to download and start practicing on. You can follow along and apply what you're learning on most Photoshop's versions. However, the latest version will be including all Photoshop's recent features, so you won't miss a single one. And if you don't have the latest version of Photoshop, you can start by downloading a 30-day free trial version from adobe.com. And guys, also make sure to join the course's exclusive Facebook group to upload your artwork and get either an artistic or technical feedback if you want to, of course, or even to inspire and get inspired by students like you from different cultures from all over the world. And you will find also the group's link attached to this lecture. And now, let's start the creative journey with Photoshop.